Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s Skincare. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to reduce and almost literally rid and eliminate those crow's feet, the smile lines by the side of the eyes here. We're going to do some great massage exercises and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. Now I'm using a little bit of facial oil here as always, but if you have your own face cream or an even better an eye cream, that's really good. Whatever we're going to use actually gives a little bit more of a slip and glide, but also it's also going to penetrate into the skin even better and deeper and really work that skin. So let's just very gently apply the oil just literally down by the side of the eyes and under the eyes, just gently patting. And then I like to work down by the side of the nose as well, to the ears, and then just down by the side of the neck. So what we're going to do first, we're going to use our ring finger because we have a lighter touch, and the skin around the eyes again is very delicate. So I'm just gently patting and tapping with the ring finger by the side of the eyes. Now what we're doing here, we're really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. And then we're going to just work between the eyes as well. This will also help calm down the nervous system. And then just gently between the eyes, using the ring finger down the side of the nose to where the bone is under the eye. And then just gently working our way all along towards those potential crow's feet and wrinkles. And then just very gently just gliding in an outwards motion. And then above the eyebrow. Remembering to keep the shoulders down, it's very easy to sort of lift them up. So now I'm placing my hand as an anchor, my fingers, taking my other fingers, and I'm just gently massaging in an upwards motion here. Particularly having older skin, it's quite good to have your fingers here, otherwise you don't want to be dragging at the skin. So it just holds everything into place. And then lifting up, and then on the other side, fingers as an anchor, and just taking the other fingers and just gently massaging. And then lifting up again. And again, just gently massaging it with the ring finger. And then not forgetting under the eyebrows. If you like, you can always take a couple of deep belly breaths as well, in through the nose and out through the mouth, to really help with blood flow and also oxygen to the neck and also the head area. So now let's do a little bit of fascia work here. So I'm placing my fingers here and I'm just very gently pulling apart, nice and light again, because we have fairly sort of thinner skin here, and you want to work in lots of different directions just to release any sort of tightness within this area, making sure the face is nice and relaxed as well. And then also on the other side. And again, whatever product you've placed is really going to be penetrating in even better and deeper. And then with the fingers, I'm just now placing them where the bone is under the eye and just literally making a wave motion in an outwards motion, nice and light, from literally where the nose is all the way to those potential crow's feet and side smile lines. And then just gently massage it out. And then with the fingers between the eyes, just gliding down either side of the nose as well. and then massaging where the either side of the nostrils, and then gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. Also moving toxins and waste at this point. So once we've done that, we're going to take our fingers now and just very gently massage the temples. Again, we hold lots of tension in this area. And just really give that a lovely massage, almost moving the skin slightly. Again, releasing any tight fascia within this area. And then gliding down the side of the head, temples down to the side of the ears, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And this is a really light, delicate touch. What we're doing here is removing toxins and waste within the lymph. And again, the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin. And then down by the back of the ear as well. Really massage behind the ear. At this point, I always want to swallow. You can feel things kind of like moving along. And then placing thumb under the jawline, fingers above, just gliding now, nice and light. Moving toxins and waste. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area. So moving everything from this area coming down and along. And then with the fingers, I just like to massage very lightly, front of the ears to the top of the ears, and then to the bottom of the ear. And then once we've reached the bottom of the ear, just work your way along the occipital bone, along the neck. And then when the fingers are touching, if you can just gently glide down either side of the neck, down this big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And if you want to do another little bit of extra lymphatic drainage, just taking the fingers again, just coming down all the way down from the temples, side of the front of the ears, and then just very gently gliding down, moving toxins and waste. And I always like to finish off with that because it's really important to make sure that once we've moved everything around, we want to release it. So from the chin all the way down, where our collarbone is just above, we have plenty of points here and some indentations. And I just like to give those a few gentle presses. And this will release all the toxins and waste within this area into the body, ready for elimination. So I will place another video. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Please consider subscribing and a thumbs up, and please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if there's any other facial massage exercises or fascia work or lymphatic drainage you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.